Hi, welcome back. Here we are, 8 months pregnant, 36 weeks, enjoying this home stretch. I was a little under the weather, so I decided to make me a homemade juice just to give me some extra TLC. Do you guys juice like that? Let me know, and let me know if you have any juice recipes that you would like for me to try or some to share. All right, we're starting off with our lemon. This is going to aid in our digestive and also boost our immune system. Then we're going to cut this pineapple. Pineapples are amazing. They reduce inflammation, supports hydration, boosts immune system, and taste amazing. If you are using an organic pineapple, make sure you save the skin because you can boil it and make you a tea. All right, so let's turn our Breville on and get to the best part, juicing. And here we have it, two beautiful drinks, bright, vibrant, immune boosting, energy boosting, everything that I needed coming from a little under the weather feel, okay? So that's the end of the juicing piece. I am going to show you guys how the cleanup goes. If you don't want to stay for this part, I will see you on the next one. But if you're curious to see how I clean my juicer, stick around. The cleanup is super simple. It's really just wiping everything down, getting all the pulp, and it's really soft as long as you clean everything pretty close to the time that you finish. Now, if you wait to clean juicers, It's the same aspect of waiting to clean out a blender after you make a shake. It starts to dry out and sticks, and it just gets really difficult to clean, making it super hard. But if you clean your things right after you finish, everything is super soft. All you need is some warm water with a bristle brush or a scrub brush, and it comes right off, no problem. My folks who do the protein shakes and all of that, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. You do not let no blender sit by and dry out, because you know that makes the cleaning process the worst. I know this is the part that a lot of people complain about, but come on, guys. Come on, when is success convenient? And honestly, this is nothing. This is easy work. Play some music, play a playlist, get a juicing playlist. Do whatever to entertain yourself as you do this, because at the end of the day, we need to take care of our health. We need to make sure we're getting the phytonutrients, all the macros, the whole situation. And all of this is going to take work, it's going to take dedication, and it's going to take a little bit of cleanup. But the saying goes, you're either going to pay on the front end or the back end. This is a part of paying on the front end, so that the back end is hospital bills and hospital visits and stays and things that we don't want to deal with. So let's just take care of ourselves the best that we can, and let's take a little bit of time to do the front end work, which is cleaning up. Again, technology has made it so easy to keep yourself entertained, so there's really no excuse. And juicers and all of that has given all of us the ability to make our most favorite drinks at home, when before most people had to go to juice places to get juices, because people just maybe didn't have all the information, the knowledge, or even the funds to pay for a juicer. Now we really have a lot of options when it comes to juicers. You can get a pretty darn good juicer for 30, 40, 50 bucks, okay? And you can just keep upgrading as you continue to work on yourself and continue to better yourself, because as you take care of the body, of course, I'm always talking about taking care of that mind, these things are going to elevate and propel your money, your wealth, your health, everything. Because how you do one thing is how you do everything, people. So as you continue to work on yourself, your opportunities are going to elevate. As long as you continue to work on that mental, everything in your life will elevate. I promise you. We are not here to stop growing. We are here to continuously grow, to continue to push the limits, to continue to learn and to apply and to pivot whenever necessary. Keep your mind locked in on positivity, and I promise you'll start looking at everything differently. Any adversity, any obstacles is simply opportunity in disguise. But you have to have the mental setting to see it. It can be clear as day to someone who's positive and working on their mindset, but dark as night to those who are not. You won't be able to see it. You won't be able to conceptualize it, so it won't happen for you. So let's go, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.